This is Carlos representing Cage of News. Today here I'm at Education Excellence Conclave organized by EU Media at a Century Pavilion, Bangalore. Let's talk to some of our today's guests and dignitaries. Hi ma'am, can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Mrs. Vijaya Sudhakar, Principal, Times School, Bandlagada Jagir, Hyderabad. And I have been in this education industry, whatever you may call it as, for more than 28 years with varied experience starting from northern part of India till the southern. So I have traveled across and I have been called for this award ceremony, being selected for the top 100 principals. So I'm very happy to be receiving it. And this particular conclave, I liked it because they are trying to bring all the services which are being available for the schools in one under one umbrella. So that makes it specific and special because then it becomes easier when the principals do not have, nowadays principals do not have time, and such kind of events, when they are being organized at one place, it makes the things easier for us, because whether it is AI solutions or robotics, or whether we are talking about solutions for your transport, or you're looking at the possibility of some official management softwares or education softwares or sports, everything coming at one place, that makes it special. So I thank Ekupdesh and the entire media partners and everybody for giving me this opportunity to be part of this event.
Do you have any suggestions you would like to convey to the Education Committee?
Pardon?
Do you have any suggestions you would like to convey to the Education Committee?
The major suggestion which I always have is to ensure that the teachers, working situations improve in the country. Because I always feel that teachers are the least paid, though they might be talking about, international level salaries and all those things. But even then, I feel very sad when I see maybe a teacher who educates a student, that student gets better salary than the teacher who has been teaching him for ages together. Right, so that is one. Second thing is, of course, I always feel there should be some kind of, special perks for teachers, and they should be recognized at the national level, giving them all kind of subsidies and help. I think that will ensure that education is the backbone of our country. If educators are happy and they are doing their work happily, it makes a lot of difference.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for watching. To know more, please log into Cage of News.